Now first you're going to start off with your measuring tape, and you can pick this up from Walmart or your local fabric store. And we're going to start by measuring our circumference. So you're going to take your measuring tape and place the end in the middle of your forehead and circle that right on around till it meets in the middle, and you will see that you have the circumference of 21 inches. Next we're going to measure from front to back. You will take the end of your measuring tape and place that at the very bottom or the back of your hairline, and you will measure all the way to the front of your hairline. For those who have extra forehead space, you can add an additional ½ inch to an inch to your measurement. So for this measurement, it will be 12½ inches. Lastly, we're going to measure your hairline, and this will be from ear to ear. You'll take one end of the measuring tape and place it all the way around your hairline till you get to the other ear. As you can see, this measurement is 12 inches.